This is Gabriel with Blackbelt AC Heating and Electric. My guys got started here a little before I was able to film where the original install was, but homeowner always complained about the AC not cooling properly. The unit used to be here and it would come up to here, and then there was a large 90 that went up and fed that. You can see part of the flex just hanging down, and then he had these right here just at the bottom of the plenum that hit here first before it went up in the 90. And then the rest of the mess that the other guys did was just very questionable. They are the first homeowners to this home, so you can see how bad the rest of the ductwork is. Homeowner always complained that that side of the house has always been hot during the summer and warm during the winter, and this side here was always cool during the summer and cold during the winter. So once we get all this taken care of, homeowner should experience a lot better airflow, as we're going to be adding more returns, versus he only had one here, 120 by 20, which is way too small for a 5-ton unit. We're going to be adding another return on that other side, and also a 14 by 14 in the master bedroom to circulate the air real good. This is that 90 that I was mentioning earlier that came out of the air handler. This is just a, like I said, this is a real bad design that the original installer did, and after we get done, the homeowner's going to notice a huge difference on airflow. This is Gabriel with Blackbelt AC Heating and Electric. I wanted to show a video of the after. We still got to do just a minor corrections. That gas line is just set up there temporarily. We're going to run a new one, but this is, I'm taking this video now because I'm fixing to disconnect all the lights in the back, and we won't be able to see what's back there later on. But anyways, this is how it should have been done originally. The homeowner has told me she is very surprised on how the system is cooling. They've never had this kind of cooling before, that they would set it down to 72 degrees and the house would still be hot. Well, yesterday it went down to 78 degrees and they were extremely cold through the entire house. So again, the customer is very happy with the installation, but this is the after, how it originally should have been done. Due to lack of space, they had originally put it here. They should have just installed it like this, up in the air, suspended, and run across like this with all the deck, with all the rest of the flex heading that direction.